this is my project. I took the bottom 3 feet off of my siding and filled it in with the fake rock. Right here I blended some small pieces in with the larger corners, so everything looks very nice. It was easy to do. I used a little mortar dry. After I caulked all the seams, I put some dry mortar on it to make it look more like cement and less like caulking. Anyways, it turned out very nice. I did this with the help of a daughter and a friend that comes and helps me when she's not busy. And as you can see, it turned out very nice. It was easy to cut. And a little slow with just me and a friend, but it wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be.